Hello guys, how to install plugins in your WordPress site? You can easily install various types of WordPress plugin on your site. To do so, first log in your WordPress site. Tips how to put your credential, user ID and password and choose login. Your WordPress site is now open. Here from the left side menu, hover the cursor on plugin. Look for plugin option and you will find three options corresponding to it: installed plugins, add new plugins, plugin file editor. Choose add new plugin, and here you will find a search field and keyword also. Type any keyword which you want to add a plugin for that and look for that plugin. For example, W3 caches, security related plugin and some other plugin which you want to add on your web's WordPress site. From here, simply choose them and click on Install Now button. Also, you can find with keyword, author and tag. Some other featured, popular, recommended, favorites are also available. If you have chosen any plugin to activate in your site, then simply click on Install Now. And after clicking on Install Now button, WordPress plugin will successfully install. Wait for some times, it will take some times, and after that go to your plugin installed options. From here you can easily search your plugin. Thereafter go to left side and go to your plugin and choose installed side, installed plugins, and here you will find your installed plugins. Simply go to settings and activate it. That's all.